Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that United stablecoin. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, United Stables U is a next generation US dollar pegged stablecoin designed to unify fragmented liquidity across blockchains into a single efficient financial infrastructure layer. Unified liquidity layer, it aggregates scattered stablecoin liquidity from various sources into one token to reduce trading frictions and improve capital efficiency. Multi-chain and AI ready, natively issued on BNB chain and Ethereum with Tron support added. It support cashless transactions via EIP 3009, targeting autonomous AI agents and machine to machine payments transaction, and fully backed. Each U token is backed 1:1 by reserve of cash and high quality stablecoins with regular third-party audits and on-chain proof of reserve reporting. United stablecoin total supply is 1.02 billion and circulating supply is also 1.02 billion U token. U token is listed on Binance, MEXC, STX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.